Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is virtual learning system from Pakistan International School Taif, and this is social study class for grade 3. Today topic is transport. Today we shall do our reading of this lesson. Come to page number 29. On page number 29, lesson number 9, the name of the lesson is transport. Dear students, what is transport? The definition of transport is any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Okay, dear students, again, any means that we use move from one place to another is called transport. Understand? Machines which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Some vehicles are driven forward by engines. The engines run on petrol, diesel, or CNG. Like petrol and diesel, CNG is also a fuel for vehicles. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. This is also fuel for vehicle. Some vehicles can also run on electricity. They use electricity. The car is a vehicle. You see cars on the roads every day. Do you know what the parts of a car are called? There are some parts are given, like this one. This is steering wheel. Steering wheel. And this one is rear view mirror. And this one windscreen. And this is called bonnet. And this is engine. This one is radiator for cooling the car. Headlights. This one is called bumper. These are the parts of the car. And this one is called mudguard. And this is side mirror. This one is wheel. And this is tire. And this is exhaust pipe. And this one is boot. And this one is roof of the car. These are the parts of the car. Okay, dear students. Next, here are some other vehicles which have engines. They all need petrol, diesel or CNG and oil and water to run. The tires need air. Can you think why water is needed and where it is used in a vehicle? I hope all of you know why water is needed in a car or in a vehicle to cool the engine. Can you name the vehicles in this picture? This is the picture of vehicle. This one is called rickshaw. This one is called bike, motorbike, jeep, truck, bus, and this is petrol pump where the vehicle get the petrol. Okay, dear students. This is oil tanker which bring the oil and give the oil to the petrol pumps. Next page is some vehicles do not have an engine. Like here you can see that this is a horse carriage, this is tonga, this is hand cart, this is bullock. They are pulled by animals. Have you seen any of these on the roads? Can you name some more? So I think you have seen these animals. Some vehicles neither have engines nor are they pulled by animals. Have How do you think they move? Like this is bicycle. So they not have engine, are not moved by animals. Okay, this is a horse carriage, this is a tonga, and this is bullock, and this is hand cart. Okay, but this is bicycle is driven by a human. This bicycle is driven by a human. They not have these other tongas, horse carriage. These are also means of transport. Okay, next one is traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Here you can see that this is aeroplane. This is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplanes can fly over the sea and high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over long distance in the shortest time. The largest aeroplane today is the Airbus A380. So it can carry a full load of 655 passengers. Okay. For traveling short distance by air, the helicopter is most useful. This one is helicopter. This is used for uh, short distance. Helicopter is most useful. Helicopters can land almost anywhere, even on your playing field. Okay, it can land anywhere. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move along on tracks or rails. Railway carriages are pulled by powerful engines. The power for these engines comes from diesel, coal, or electricity. So some trains use diesels, some use old one use coal. Nowadays they are using electricity for the movement. Have you ever traveled by train? In Pakistan, we have a railway network that links all major towns and cities. On next page, there is also a good network of roads and highways. Many people travel by car and many more use the bus services. People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea or river or a lake. They can travel by boat or aeroplane. There are many kinds of boats. A ferry, for example, carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. This is the definition of ferry. What is ferry? Ferry carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Ships are used to carry huge loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. Ships that carry oil are called tankers. They are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Goods that are packed in containers are transported in container ships. Okay. Boats are also used for sport and adventure. A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Okay, dear students, a speedboat moves very fast over the water. Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes to catch the fish. Rivers are the sea. Ships have huge engines. Can you see in the picture some boats that have no engines? How did how do they move? Next page. You can see these ships. These not have engines. These are driven by a man. This one, this old one, this one. This was a canoe, and this one is a sailing boat. This one. These boats not have engine. Okay, these are driven by human beings or by, they are called sailing boats. And this is a ferry. And next one, this one is called speedboat that move faster over the water. And this is called barge. And this is a luxury liner. And this is an oil tanker. These are means of transportation, and most of the trading in the world is done by these ships. Good day, students. We did our reading today, and next, this is your homework, and these are key vocabulary, and you have to write these words and meanings in your notebook and share it to your teacher. Okay, this first one is transport. A means of transporting or covering, a mean of transporting or covering as a truck or bus, a ship or plane employed for transporting soldier, military stores, etc. It's called transport. Number two is aeroplane. Fastest mean of transport, carry people from one place to another. So it's aeroplane. Engine. A machine with moving parts that converts power into motion. CNG, I already told you, this is the abbreviation of compressed natural gas. Okay, this is also fuel for the transport vehicles. Fisherman, a person who catches fishes is called a fisherman. Okay, dear students, this is your homework. You have to write these words and meaning in your copy, and inshallah in next video we will do our exercise inshallah. After completing this words meaning in your notebook, read the lesson 2 times. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.